I've shown you a lot of AI tools on this channel, but today I'm about to show you a secret premium level AI tool that's completely free. It gives you image to video, text to video, and a bunch of viral video effects that are blowing up right now. Don't take my word for it, just watch the results with your own eyes. Crazy, right? And here's what's even crazier. Channels like this are making thousands with videos like that. And this AI tool called Vidnoz AI can make those videos in just a few clicks. Alright, let's jump into how it works. Once you click the link in the description, you'll land on this interface. You've got image to video, video effects, and text to video, all super easy to use, but the results are just pro. So, let's walk through the image to video feature. First, upload the image you want to animate. Make sure it's clear and high quality for best results. Next, choose an AI model. We'll go with Fitness Max. Great for character motion and consistency. And here you select the video length. I'm going with 5 seconds. And here, type your prompt. I'll go with eating grapes to test the animation. In the unwanted content box, you can add things like distortion or bad quality to keep the output clean. It's optional, but it helps. For now, I'll leave it blank to really test the quality. Now hit generate. Drum roll, please. It's done. Now just hit download. And here's the result. Wow, this actually looks amazing. You can see how natural the movement is. No overacting, no weird glitches, just smooth, clean animation. The lighting and detail are spot on. This is seriously impressive. And check out this another one I created. Pretty cool, right? Alright, now let's move on to the video effects feature. This one's super fun. It lets you apply trending visual effects to any image. As you can see, there are tons of cool effects that are blowing up online. But for now, I'm gonna try this Disney princess transition. So let's upload our image here. Pick the effect you want to apply and hit generate. And that's it, super easy. Once it's ready, just hit download. Now let's check out the result. Holy God, this looks great. They even kept the same background to make the transition smooth. The AI didn't just throw on a costume, it actually made her look like a Disney character. From the dress, to the hair, to the background, it nailed everything perfectly. And keep in mind, this was all done with just 2 clicks. No hours of editing needed. Okay, let's move on to the text to video section. This one works in a similar way. Instead of uploading an image, you just give the AI a full prompt and it generates everything from scratch. The visuals, the animation, everything. If you want to write more detailed or creative prompts, I recommend using ChatGPT to help out. But for now, I gave this tool the most random sentence I could think of to really test the animation. A cyberpunk city at night with flying drones. Next, choose your model. I'll stick with Video Max for high quality results. I'm keeping the video length at 5 seconds. And aspect ratio at 16:9, and if you want, enter negative prompts to filter out stuff you don't want, same as before. Once that's all set, hit generate and let's see what it can cook up. Drum roll, please. It's ready. Now just hit download. Alright, let's see the result. This is actually very impressive. You can tell the AI understood the prompt clearly and executed it with real precision. If you're not already using this AI, I seriously recommend you check it out right now. It also has a ton of other useful features that are definitely worth exploring. Link would be in the description. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.